Brick Manor by Bhutha Earthen Architecture Studio in Coimbatore, India. An earthen residence on a forestry farm for clients committed to feasible living represents a harmonious marriage of environmental awareness and conventional craftsmanship. The client's dedication to sustainable living has prompted our team to design an abode that corresponds with their everyday surroundings and epitomizes sustainability standards. The house's design prioritizes constructing a symmetrical living space that encourages interaction between family members and linking up with the surrounding environment. The central courtyard serves as the heart of the domestic, giving a visual network to all spaces on both the ground floor and the first floor. This form improves the stream of natural light and ventilation. The entrance features wooden columns supporting a pitched roof, evoking a traditional yet inviting ambience. An inbuilt thin-eye space draws guests into the cozy living room, where exposed brickwork and poured earth walls add warmth and character. Terracotta floors and wooden textures enhance the natural aesthetic, creating a comfortable environment. A conventional swing with brass chains and wooden planks is a focus of consideration, advertising a comfortable spot for unwinding and reflection. This swing interfaces with the courtyard, providing easy access to the outdoor space and the agro passed through a back door. The home seamlessly integrates traditional elements with modern functionality, fostering a sustainable environment that encourages connection and appreciation for nature. Stone pillars in the courtyard provide enduring style, while Mangalore tile overhangs offer shade and timeless appeal. Huge openings on the eastern side of the living region interface consistently with the sit-out space, blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living. Visual connectivity remains a priority throughout the design, with the courtyard serving as the central hub that joins all other living spaces. Ensuring openness, the courtyard connects seamlessly to the double-height dining area, enhanced by textured rubble walls and bold rubble accents for visual interest. A wooden door frames peaceful forest views, while large openings in the staircase design capture sweeping agroforest, allowing ample natural light. This arrangement fosters a radiant atmosphere, strengthening the connection with nature throughout the residence. The master bedroom radiates rustic charm with contrasting white lime plaster and exposed brick, complemented by wooden wardrobes for storage. The interplay of white and brown tones adds warmth, while a focal bay window offers serene views. The bathroom blends functionality and aesthetics with partitioned spaces, inviting an immersive experience with nature's seasons. Teal green smooth lime plaster contrasts with rough Kota stone flooring, enhancing the space's character. Plumbing fixtures crafted from natural stone and brass metal ensure durability and visual appeal. Careful planning ensures flawless functionality, adding to the luxury and comfort of the bedroom suite. The kitchen blends functionality with traditional elements, featuring teal green lime plaster against a granite countertop and traditional highlights like the Anganan coulis and a wood-fired kitchen. In the kids' room, a wooden mezzanine floor optimizes space, while the first floor boasts a traditional Mangalore pitched roof and an open terrace for relaxation and nature appreciation. Wooden door entrances enhance the aesthetic, while lamp niches add warmth. Passive design strategies optimize light, wind, and energy efficiency, with solar and rainfall harvesting systems promoting sustainability. Overall, the design seamlessly blends classic and modern styles, prioritizing sustainability and creating a harmonious living environment.